This is a $50 bill, but what if I could turn this into $2,000 in just 15 minutes? What do you think about this challenge? Let's make it even more interesting. If I fail, I'll shave my head. How does that sound? My name is Evelyn Morgan and I've been a professional trader for over 9 years. For me, trading isn't just numbers on a screen. It's a real tool that takes to a new level. If you follow financial news, you might have seen me on CNN or Breaking News, where I share market analysis and break down financial trends. And maybe you've also heard about my trading community, one of the fastest growing in the industry, where over 21,000 people apply my strategies every single day. Today, I'm not just taking on this challenge. I'm gonna prove that simplicity is the key to success. I'll show you how to achieve real results without complicated terminology or overloaded technical analysis. Just a strategy that even a beginner can understand. And if you still have doubts, it simply means you haven't seen the tools that can truly change your financial situation. Are you ready? Then stay focused, watch until the end, and see for yourself. Before we begin, I have a solution that can fast-track your path to financial independence. No need to spend 9 years searching, making mistakes, and experimenting like I did. You can start seeing results much faster. I created a trading community on Telegram, and today it has over 21,000 members. They are not reading theory. They're not posting motivational quotes. They're getting results. That's the only goal that brought us together. How does it work? I place live trades and members simply copy my actions. No complicated charts, no overwhelming information, just clear, actionable steps that deliver results. And it's so simple that even beginners can do it. Look at this dashboard. This is how our trading day went yesterday. What do you think? This is not for those looking for excuses. It's for those who want real change. Right now, pause this video, click the link in the description and join our community today. Now is the perfect time to enter the market and use technology for rapid growth. The opportunity is here. The only question is, will you take it? This is your chance. You either use it or you stay exactly where you were. I'll see you in my Telegram. Let's get started. All right, let's move on to the strategy. I've already set the trade duration to 1 minute. The candlestick time frame will be 30 seconds. We are starting with just 5 to see how far we can go. Adding 6 pairs. And of course, we can't forget about indicators. In today's session, I'll show you how to effectively use 2 powerful indicators, moving average and RSI. We'll configure them to become our perfect allies in the world of trading. All right, everything's set. Friends, this strategy is a great way to get familiar with the basics of trading and start making smarter market decisions. Get comfortable and get ready for an exciting ride. Let's go. We are starting with an Australian and a New Zealander. Let's analyze what's happening on the chart. We see that the price has been moving up for a while. This is called an uptrend. But now there is a small pullback. The price has dropped a bit, which is natural correction after a rise. The main question, will this correction end and will the trend continue upward? Here's what we focus on. First, let's talk about the moving average indicator. This is a line that shows the average price over a specific period. Right now, the price has reached this level, which is a crucial moment. If the trend is strong, the price usually bounces off this line and continues moving upward. The RSI indicator measures the strength of buyers and sellers. At this moment, it is at the level 50, meaning the forces are nearly equal. However, if RSI starts bouncing upward, it indicates that buyers are regaining control. What's my decision? Since the trend remains upward and the price is at a key level, there is a high probability that it will reverse back up. That's why I'm going up. Perfect. Remember, the market always gives us signals, and if you read them correctly, you can spot great entry points. Let's move on. Let's switch. Now, let's check the chart. We see that the price has been declining, but at some point the drop stopped. And now the price is moving sideways. It's not going up or down. This is called a consolidation phase. It often means that the market is gathering strength before making its next move. What should we focus on? Candlesticks. There are long candlesticks with wicks at the bottom. This is an important sign. Buyers are starting to push back. and the moving average indicator signals a continuation of the uptrend. Also, let's not forget about the RSI indicator. It breaks above the 50 level, which further confirms the upward movement. I'm going up. When you analyze the market correctly, the entries become obvious. That's how strong trades work. Not random guesses, but well-calculated moves. Let's keep going. Looking at the next pair, RSI has reached the overbought zone and is starting to decline. That's the first sign that buyers are losing strength and the correction might be coming. Checking the moving average again. The price hit the moving average but couldn't break above it, meaning buyers don't have enough strength to push higher. This is often a sign that a breakout downward is about to happen. Going down. That's why it's so important to watch the overbought and oversold zones. They often give us key indicators. If you catch them at the right time, you can enter confidently. Let's keep moving. Back to an Australian and a Canadian. The situation is once again in our favor. I'm using the same setup that worked well in the first trade. The price has returned to the moving average. We've seen this before. Last time the price bounced up from this level, and now we see the same pattern forming again. RSI confirms the entry. It bounced off the 50 level, meaning the balance is shifting back towards buyers and they're ready to push the market higher. I'm going up with confidence. When the market repeats the same pattern, why not take advantage? If you understand the trends, you can keep finding beneficial opportunities over and over. This strategy works, and this is just the beginning. Let's be honest, if you already had results, you already knew how to generate a stable income, you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be watching this video, but you are here. Which means deep down, you know you're capable of more. Do you know what separates those who succeed from those who stay stuck? A mentor. Someone who has already walked this path, knows where you might go wrong, and can show you how to avoid unnecessary losses and accelerate your growth. Here's what I'm offering. Our trading community where I personally guide people toward real results. No theory, no empty motivation, no generic advice from the internet. A clear, structured system that works. What do you get? Live trading sessions every day, personalized support for any question, exclusive market analysis not available anywhere else, a powerful community of action takers moving forward together. Just imagine, instead of endless doubts, you simply start taking action. Where could you be 1 month from now? Well, now you have the chance. One click and you're in. You either stay where you are or you sign up now and finally start moving toward real transformation. The link is in the description below this video. Time for thinking is over. Now, let's get back to it. Once again, we have an Australian and a New Zealander. What do we see here? The RSI was recently in the overbought zone, but now it's confidently moving downward. This indicates that buyers are losing strength. On the chart, we see a bearish engulfing pattern, which often signals a trend reversal. Another factor is that the price isn't just bouncing off, but is actually trying to break below the moving average indicator. This gives us confidence that the downward movement will continue, going down. When you see a pattern plus confirmation from indicators, there should be no doubts. And now we are already at 117, and this is just the warm-up. Let's pick up the pace. On the chart, we clearly see an uptrend. The price is bouncing off the moving average, and RSI is confidently breaking above 50. This one is simple, the trend is strong, the pullback is over, we're going up. Sometimes the simplest trades turn out to be the most rewarding. Here we see a divergence on RSI. The price is making new highs, but the indicator itself isn't rising, staying at the same level. This tells us that buying pressure is fading, and the uptrend might be coming to an end. We also see consolidation. The price is no longer moving up as aggressively. After breaking the moving average, I'm also going down. And now we are already at 430. I hope you remember where we started. Let's check on an Australian and an American. The price is following the classic pattern: impulse, correction, impulse. Right now we're in a correction phase, but the market is slowing down near a resistance level. The price touched the moving average and bounced downward, while RSI is also retesting 50. If it fails to break above this level, the downtrend will continue. I'm expecting a new downward impulse and a break of the moving average, so I'm going down. We are making spot-on decisions here. Let's take a couple more trades, and remember, in our business, don't let greed take over. If you start feeling tired, it's always better to stop. Switch pairs and analyzing the chart carefully. After an uptrend, the price is reversing. We see a trend break and a return to a key level. Right now, it's in retest mode, followed by a downward bounce. A perfect entry point. I don't even know. Is there anything left to explain? I think you can see everything for yourself. We are already at 1,584. Let's wrap it up with one last trade. We'll finish with this pair. The price is range-bound, but there is a clear support level where buyers consistently step in. The trend is still bullish, and it's obvious that sellers can't push the price lower. After the breakout above the moving average and a successful retest, I'm going up. This is the perfect way to end the session. 3,041. How is that for a result? Satisfied? Today I showed outstanding results, but what happens next is up to you. Just remember one thing: if you are ready, I'm already waiting for you inside the community. You just saw for yourself how the strategy works. Clear entry, clear exit, a logic-driven process that leads to success. I don't guess. I don't rely on intuition or gut feelings. Why? Because I have a proven algorithm that works. You have two choices: watch from the sidelines or follow my lead and grow with me. You already understand that trading isn't luck. It's a clear, structured plan that you must follow consistently. If you are tired of guessing and ready to transform your approach, you need a community and a system that delivers real results. Click the link in the description, sign up for the community, and join me in tomorrow's trades. But don't wait too long. This opportunity is here right now. After that, it's all up to you. I'll see you inside our community. And remember, trading involves risks and there are no guarantees. Education, knowledge, and proven strategies are your most valuable tools. See you soon.